Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. In this video, I'm gonna review two articles. Okay, the first article, the title is Dexys Found in Good Neighbors SpongeBob SquarePants Transcription a Pragmatic Analysis. And in the second article, the title is Person Dexys in the film Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. Okay, the authors. In the first article, the authors are Gadis Hermiastari, Ulia Himawati, and Pratama Irwin Talenta. And in the second article, the authors are Iputu Diana Disaputra, Inyoman Udayana, and Igusti Ngurah Partama. Okay, journal. In the first article, the journal is Electrum, the English Language and Education Spectrum. And in the second article, the journal is Stilistika, Journal of Indonesian Language and Literature. Okay, next, background of the research. Background of the research in the first article. Dexys is used every time when the speakers talk or write something. Renkama 1993 stated that Dexys is used to denote the elements in language which refer directly to the situation. Dexys is not as simple as seems. Dexys show the important meanings which is expressed by the speakers to help the hearer to understand the utterance. It means that it will be better if the speaker understands Dexys to discover the meaning in utterance. Okay, the background of the research in the second article. Dexys is a study to describe the relationship between language and context and language structure itself. The meaning will be clear if the listeners or the readers know about who, where, and when the utterance is uttered. Sometimes there is misjudging and misunderstanding of meaning and intention between the language users. That misunderstanding is related to understanding of utterance meaning with reference. Okay, next, objectives or aims of the research. The aims of the research in the first article is to understand one of the most important concepts in general linguistics, to understand the real environment around us, such as time frames, physical location, and the people involved. And the aims of the second article is to identify the types of person Dexys and describe the function of each deictic marker in the film Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. Okay, next, literature reviews. Literature reviews in the first article based on theory proposed by Levinson 1983, and the literature review in the second article based on theory proposed by Levinson 1983. Okay, next, reviews research. Reviews research in the first article. Investigate approximately investigation Dexys conducted by Ali. Looks at an individual Dexys as a minors of tuned first in Mahajan's collection. It analyzed individual Dexys in top of Mahajan's collection based on George Yule hypothesis 1996. Okay, next, methodology. The methodology. The methodology in the first article. Research design in the first article is descriptive qualitative method. And the data collection method in the first article are collected through documentation following some steps. First, the researcher watched the series of SpongeBob. Second, hunting the transcript of the series. Third, choosing and underlined the utterance of Dexys. Fourth, selecting and marking the utterance containing the Dexys. And the last is the drawing the conclusion. And in the first article, the research analyzed data by using Dexys theory. This research is classified as descriptive qualitative because the data are in form of word, namely utterance used by transcript of form of SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, and instrument. The instrument in the first article is the form of the transcription of SpongeBob SquarePants that contains utterance, form, and diction and transcription word which collected from Good Neighbors of SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, the methodology and the second article. In the second article, research design in the second article is descriptive qualitative method, and the data collection method in the second article was documentation and observation, in which the activity includes reading and note-taking of the data from the film. Okay, in the second article, the data analysis method is descriptive qualitative, and the instrument in the second article is the film entitled Transformer: Revenge of the Fallen, which is a science fiction film directed by the famous Michael Bay and is based on the Transformers storylines. Okay, next, the findings. The findings. In the first article, the researcher finds many references that show different kinds of deixis. The researcher finds kinds of pronouns as person deixis marker. They are I, you, he, him, me, them, my, we, our, your, us, and somebody. And for time deixis, the researchers find 5 kinds. There are morning, Sunday, tomorrow, next week, then, and now. Then for place deixis, are there, here, this, that, and those. And the next is social deixis. There are lady, man, president, citizen, and the last for discourse deixis are this, that, and those. And in the second article, after the researcher analyzing data, person deixis in the movie Transformer: Revenge of the Fallen, in the previous chapter, the research found that there are 40 data indicate as person deixis form. There were 3 types of personal deixis found based on the utterance performed by characters. They are: first person deixis, I, we, us, me, our, I, and second person deixis, you and your. Third person deixis, they, it, he, him. The last, the difference and similarity. The similarity between 2 articles are discussed about deixis using Levinson theory and use qualitative descriptive methodology. And the difference between 2 articles is that the first article discusses about deixis and its type, such as person deixis, time deixis, place deixis, social deixis, and discourse deixis. Meanwhile, the second article only discusses about person deixis, such as first person deixis, second person deixis, and the third person deixis. Maybe guys, that's all from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.